Our carbon brushes have been in business for more than 80 years. This time, we would like to introduce our carbon brushes for trains. Many carbon brushes are used for trains. Toyo-Tanso has a wide lineup of carbon brushes for a wide range of applications. Toyo-Tanso's carbon brushes for trains have excellent wear resistance and low wear on rotating part. And we have the development capability to keep responding to the ever-changing environment. Wear resistance. Excellent wear resistance reduces the frequency of brush replacement and maintenance. Low wear on rotating part. Reducing maintenance cost and time for related components such as commutators. Development capability. Based on 80 years of technology and experience, we can realize carbon brushes that meet your specifications and environment. We have materials for grounding, compressors, generators, drive motors, to suit each application. Toyo-Tanso's carbon brushes can contribute to a multifaceted reduction in man-hours and costs. Our products are widely used for trains which have strict criterion as drive motors, auxiliary equipment, grounding, and other applications. Please feel free to contact us for any inquiries by overview section.